Sir, thank you so much. Pasabi kay Sir Richard, thank you din. Maraming salamat.
Pupunta dito yung pagdating.
Oo, sige sir, visit lang sila dito. Saan na kayo diretso ngayon? Laguna, test drive nyo. Sige. Okay. Sir, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Ingat po kayo. Sir Richard, maraming salamat. Release natin 3 of 3 ngayong araw. So, Isuzu Altera ang ating last. Kanina na-release natin yung Fiesta kay Sir Raul. Tsaka yung EcoSport na taga Batangas naman yun, yung EcoSport. So, release natin to 3.0 diesel engine, automatic transmission. Ayan, so si Sir Richard is nasa abroad pa. So, yan, father niya. Kinuha lang yung Isuzu Altera. So, ayan, fast brake unit to guys. Pero, syempre, chinek natin everything. Test drive, PMS na rin, tsaka full step detail pa rin yan na everything. 3 step in and out, kompleto po yan. So, on to the next. Thank you so much. Isuzu Altera, sold.